Hey beautiful people, winter is finally here, and while the weather feels cozy, our skin, it suffers the most dryness, dullness, and all the trauma. So today I'm going to give you super 5 effective winter skincare hacks that actually work and will keep your skin soft, glowing, and completely stress-free this season. So let's start. In winter, our skin becomes extra sensitive. So the first thing you need to fix is your face wash. Avoid harsh foamy cleanser. Switch to a gentle hydrating one and something creamy that does not trip your skin. So this one change alone can stop 50% of winter dryness. Just trust the process. The next and the biggest hack people don't know about is moisturize your face while it's wet. Don't wait for it to dry because when your skin is slightly wet, your moisturizer seals the hydration inside and keeps your skin plump for hours. It's the easiest hack for winter glow. Step number 3 is that don't just use the same moisturizer every single day. Switch to a recovery night cream, something that is thicker, richer with niacinamide or peptides. Here's the simple and easy hack. Apply your night cream 10 minutes before you go to sleep and then apply a very thin layer of petroleum jelly only on the dry areas of your face. It seals the moisturizer or the night cream and makes your skin super soft by morning. Step number 4. This one's easy and very quick. Wear your sunscreen even in winter weather because cold weather does not cancel the UV rays. So use SPF 30+ if you're going outside, and if you're inside, still use it because sunscreen is very important, and this one's easy and really quick hack. And for the last winter hack, we've got the lip balm hack. So use a lip balm with shea butter or that infused the moisturizer to prevent your winter cracks on your lips. And also avoid matte lipstick if your lips are already dry.